Today we will be talking about Odesk, an intuitive and scalable CRM application, powered by Onpassive. It is a customer relation management, or CRM, that helps you build the foundation for high-quality customer data, to enhance your brand presence in the market. CRM gives you the technical edge to gather the analytics required, to understand customer behavior, and chart your marketing strategies to make the most of every growth opportunity. Onpassive offers you Odesk, an intricately built customer management tool that redefines the customer relationships, which you can foster to create a global brand trusted by the world. The AI-powered Odesk is the best marketing automation platform that offers a unique interface with multiple features that lets you manage and store every facet of customer relationship management. Now let's talk about some amazing features of Odesk. Performance management for reduced resolution time. Personalized AI chatbot with live chat solution. Self-service for customers and agents. Lead management for better sales. Multilingual and multi-channel ticketing system. So, this was a small summary of Odesk. Hope it was interesting and knowledgeable. See you again.